Hello friends and welcome back to the video lessons by the IMPACT IELTS.com. This is my 18th video for the listening part. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to find the answer of leveling the map type of questions when it is a bit challenging one. I have already discussed in my previous video this type of question. Why I'm taking this question here is because it is a bit challenging version and you can see through it. So let's go to the basic. Once you have the question before you and the audio gives you time to go through the questions, if you can recall that first you have to go through these all landmarks. You don't need to worry about this because they will appear in order in the audio. What you really have to be careful about, you must be aware about the directions and all those things that's given here if it's a challenging version. So I'm going to play the audio at first, and you can see me what I am just going through with the help of this cursor. Right, so let's play the audio first.
Before you hear the rest of the podcast, you have some time to look at questions 15 to 20. Now listen and answer questions 15 to 20. The sheep market is one of the main centres for art and history in the whole of the country. If you look at our map, you'll see some of the main attractions there. Most visitors start from Crawley Road at the bottom of the map. The Reynolds House is one of the oldest houses in the city and is open to the public. It's on the north side of Crawley Road, next to the footpath that leads to the public gardens.
We started with the Crawley Road and talked the Reynolds House, north to the Crawley Road, next to the footpath that leads to the public garden. So H is the answer of the Reynolds House. Next we'll go for the thumb.
The area is particularly interesting for its unusual sculptures. The thumb is just what its name suggests, but it's about 10 metres high. You'll see it on Hill Road, across the road from the bank. The museum's got a particularly fine...
So Hill Road, across the road from the bank. So this is the answer of the thumb. The museum, he has already started speaking.
...and collection of New Zealand landscapes. It's on the east side of the sheep market on City Road. It's on the other side of the road from the public gardens, immediately facing the junction with Hill Road.
So that was easy, other side and immediately facing the junction. So that one is F. Next, I'm looking for Contemporary Art Gallery.
The Contemporary Art Gallery is on a little road that leads off Station Square, not far from the public gardens. The road ends at the gallery.
Okay, the road ends at the gallery. So this is a Contemporary Art Gallery. Not far from Station Square and ends at the gallery. So G is the answer of Art Gallery. Now we're looking for Warner Gallery.
Doesn't go anywhere else. That's open every day except Mondays. The Warner Gallery specialises in 19th century art. It's on City Road, near the junction with Crawley Road, on the same side of the road as the public gardens. It's open on weekdays from
the same side of the road as the public garden on the City Road. So this is E. E is the Warner Gallery. Now we're looking for Nucleus.
9 to 5, and entry is free. Finally, if you're interested in purchasing high-quality artwork, the place to go is Nucleus. You need to go from Crawley Road up through Station Square and east along Hill Road until you get to a small winding road turning off. Go up there and it's on your right. If you get to City Road, you've gone too far.
Okay. So that means winding is something that you can get on your right of the winding road. So that's B. So you could see a bit of challenging, but if you are very much focused and if you listen it carefully, You are able to do this. You need a lot of practice for this kind of challenging type of questions. If you want to check the answer, you can come at the bottom and you can check the answer. Right? So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.